know.
You like shooting it?
I like shooting.
All right, let's do it.
So you're gonna try it one-handed?
I might.
Okay. Well, come on.
All right, ready to give another round?
Yeah, let's do it. Let's see if we can make it go boom.
All right, Greg. I think you did, buddy.
Yeah, it blew up a little bit.
All right, good shoot. Good shoot. What do you think?
I love it.
Okay.
I like a big gun, you know?
Do what?
I said I like a big gun.
Yeah.
You know what? I've always loved the Taurus Raging Bull. I think they're fantastic guns, made out of Brazil originally, and a lot of people have talked trash about these guns, but you know, the quality level's good, the trigger pulls are nice, they're pretty accurate, even at 200 pounds.
I think I got it.
That didn't hurt. It's okay. All right.
You only have 20 more shells. You're good for 20,
Got,
right?
yeah, it's just a few more rounds, so let's just keep going. This is so much fun. All right. Seems like we hit it the first time, so let's go
firecracker again.
Waiting for the final gates to open to a
Next.
new tomorrow.
Ah, some historical watermelons. Yep, they're history.
Okay, fire in the hole.
Oh man, it destroyed it. What?
That one's too low.
The scope is sighted for far distance, so it doesn't show accurately. We are clear, that's buddy there.
Yes.
I scraped the table. A lot of bullet is stuck here. Well, at least we got a bullet. That's kind of cool. It hit this little nut right over here and it stopped. We'll come back. Ah, it's hot. So we'll come back and get it. Yeah, that is the bullet. I don't know if you see this shiny. We'll come back and get it. For now, we'll leave that over there. I also have one of these 200 grain ones from Hornady. We'll also shoot this, see what happens. You ready?
I'm ready. Okay, fire in the hole.
We are clear, Nastari. So as you can see, and it's very obvious, don't mess around with the 460. Rigo, thanks for coming. Rigo, can you sniff out the bullet? See if you can find it anywhere. Okay, no sign of that bullet here. But let's dig in that underwood projectile.
Just gotta keep ourselves comfortable here. That's not too bad. That is not a bad two-shot group. We spend quite a bit of time out here on the range with the Remington 700 CP and 308, and I can tell you I can feel it a little bit in my hand, but overall it's a very controllable gun. It's an accurate gun.
Alright, I'm just going to do a part 2 for the Ruger 357 Blackhawk. We'll shoot 357 and then we'll switch it up and we'll shoot 9mm out of it, and we'll go from there. So 7 yards, 5 rounds. We got 5 rounds. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.5-inch barrel. This is kind of a copy of the Colt single action armies. The original Colts had the 7.5-inch barrel when they first came out. This is 6.5-inch barrel, and the rear sights are adjustable. So it's pretty accurate. It's a fun little gun. All right, we're gonna shoot from 15 yards. One question I get a lot about this gun is people ask, how come you didn't get 45 long Colt, and why did you go with 357? Well, 357 Magnum is a powerful round. I think it's a better round than the 45 long Colt, and for me, it's real cheap to reload. It's a popular round to reload, so it doesn't cost very much to reload at all.
let's put some 10 millimeter down range. Man, this hollow sun is almost like cheating. The 40 handles 10 millimeter about as good as anything's going to. Probably not. And I did put the suppressor height sights on it. Big change. And they co-witness very, very nicely with an RMR. And I do like that. Of course, you got your 15 round capacity. 15 rounds of 10 millimeter is serious stuff.